Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Gemini API key for free. So in order to do this, open any browser, go to the search bar and type in Gemini developers. Now, you will see a link saying ai.google.dev Gemini Developer API. Click this link and you'll be taken to this page. Here, what you're going to simply do is click on the sign in button. Now, when you click sign in, you'll be logged in using your user credential. After you log in using user credential, what you'll have to simply do is scroll down and choose View Gemini API Docs. Click this and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on Get a Gemini API Key. Now, when you click this button, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply click on Create API Key button at the top. Now, you can name your key anything you want, choose an imported project or click on Create Project, name your project anything, click on Create. You can also import your project and after you do this, you can click on Create Key. Now, as you can see, it's creating my key right now. After that, your key will be displayed just right here. So, click on Copy API Key button and your API key will be copied to your clipboard. What you can also do is click on the key icon and as you can see my API key is available just right here. So that's a simple way through which you can get Gemini API key. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.